Hi guys, welcome back. Today let's see how you can set up Facebook ads for your business, and we shall be doing a live demo with my agency ads. So I intend to run an advert for my agency to get clients for website design services. So let's do it together. Stay tuned till the end. I hope this video benefits you to help you scale your business. So log into your ads manager. Those of you who don't know how to access the ads manager, you just follow the URL adsmanager.facebook.com and you log in with your Facebook account. Please note, Facebook account is different from your ads account, which is the ads manager, and it is different from your Facebook page. As a business person, you need all the three because the Facebook account runs all. It gives you access to the other two. So here is my ads manager for the agency, and let's get started. You click create, and here we have objectives you can choose from. We have awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, and app promotion sales. For this video, we shall purposely go for engagement because I need people to come to my WhatsApp business. I need leads to come to my WhatsApp business, and it's connected to a CRM that I'll be using to follow up and close the sales. I'll choose engagement here, continue. So here you're presented with a tailored message campaign, which they claim it's custom made. It's made to optimize performance for your adverts. But from experience, it's not the best option for me. So I always go for manual because I need to change a couple of things to fit my objective. So I normally name my ads with this syntax. So we shall go with July. The advert is the same, the offer. So here it's a company, then the offer or the product or the service you're giving, then the offer. Also, it is important to include the month and the year, because in the future you might need to refer to a specific advert, maybe to analyze the metrics or to compare notes. So when you search with the month and the year, you can easily get to that advert. It's really important to name your campaigns in this manner. So we proceed with that. Sorry for that. So here you have campaign budget or ad set budget. I'll go with ad set budget because my campaign has only one ad set and one advert. But in cases whereby you have to test or you would like to test more than one, it's better you go with campaign budget because it will distribute your budget evenly to ads that perform better. So it saves you some losses. So we move with that. That is all set. Yeah, the same thing here. If you have more than one ad set, make sure you name according to the objective of that ad set. I already mentioned I will be targeting message destination. But if you have other destination you would like, maybe people to watch your video to get views, or you expect people to call you, you can always choose that. If you have a website, targeting people to a website, that works perfectly fine. So for my case, I want people to come to my inbox. So you choose a page here by clicking here, then you choose a page. Once that is done, please make sure your page is connected to Instagram and WhatsApp business. Feel free to comment and let me know if you need any help setting up this, because that will be another video. I'll make a video about that. But for now, all set for me. We have to proceed to the next stage. I always start with a $5, and when the advert picks up, I scale it to 10. In rare scenarios, if maybe the client is a high-end client selling high-end products, products beyond 2M, 1 to 2M, we spend about $15-20 per day or beyond, but the minimum should be 20 for us to be able to break even, because that kind of clientele. So we go to location. Still, what are you targeting and what is your objective? For my case, I can't target Uganda because the kind of business I do or the kind of services I offer really need someone to come to come and see or negotiate the deal. So if I deliver a business, you can deliver to Uganda, then you can leave it the way it is. But for my case, people need to close the deal and give us money. So most times they want to come to office. So I'll keep it relevant. If you target people that might not feel your advert is relevant, it affects your performance. So that's why the location is very important. So I have Wakiso, I have Kampala, and Entebbe. So Entebbe, I changed their radius to 10 because of the waters. You realize my targeting is a kind of a flexi targeting, and it is intentional because that's what gives me performance. So I target overlapping locations, gives me an upper hand. So here you can edit the age group. Mine is already set according to the other account. So we go to demographics. I develop websites, professional websites for travel agencies and non-government organizations. So for my case, those are my niche. I'll target frequent travelers. I'll target page admins, Facebook page admins. However, I will also target new. Since the service I'm providing, new page admin, it's a B2B kind of service. So I need people who are decision makers in their organizations. Yeah, so with that is sufficient. I also need frequent shoppers, engaged shoppers. Yeah, with that, the targeting, I always prefer manual, not the auto one. And this enables me to uncheck all this. That's all you need. With that, we can move to the ad setup. Same thing, if you have more than one advert, always make sure you edit this. Now for me, if you have to create an advert, you choose this or Collage. But now for me, I prefer using the post because the engagement I get on the post remains on my timeline, on my business page timeline. So the comments, the words, they remain there for future social proof. So I'll select, you can see this one got one comment, and so I can now, once that is done, it is imported. Now the destination message templates, make sure you leave out these questions. Don't delete them because these ones, you get unqualified leads. For me, I need, if someone is to ask a question, is anyone available to chat? Let the client type it. Let it be intentional rather than just tapping. So when they just tap, it's hard to really qualify them to know who are the serious ones. So if you leave it the way it is, it will be like this. So people just tap. I find that